in spring or fall when it's time to get out in the field. You need the right tillage option for the job you need to do. You need tillage tools that cover your needs. Tillage tools that don't cost all the money. Tillage tools that save you money and time by eliminating extra passes. You need Greenway flexible harrows for autumn field preparation, field finishing, mini-till, and no-till, field preparation, crop cultivation, and herbicide incorporation. Greenway flexible tooth harrows are tools for continuous tillage using roots till technology. The Greenway flexible harrow is ideal for fall field preparation. Fully flexible, it does not clog even in large quantities of crop residues. The Greenway harrow works in conjunction with the plow from this to this in one pass. The result is a smoother ride all winter and spring. Come spring, the fields are ready to go. Herbicide incorporation can be done quickly and to the correct depth. The Greenway flexible tooth hitch is a versatile tillage tool with many uses. Thanks to the flexible harrow with 16 rows, your field will be cultivated and leveled. From this to this, ready for sowing in one pass. For no-till applications, the 16-row Greenway harrow quickly and efficiently loosens and levels crop residues. From this to this, in one pass, you are ready for no-till sowing. You know that the key to proper herbicide incorporation is to get the herbicide to the correct depth. With its flexible design, tooth spacing, and length, the Greenway harrow fully absorbs chemicals to the 25 to 50 millimeter depth recommended by many manufacturers. This results in better performance of your herbicides. The harrow can be equipped with a spray tank and nozzles for faster application and one-pass application. The 16 rows of tines provide unrivaled field preparation and leveling capabilities for freshly plowed fields in spring. The Greenway is also perfect for spring processing after fall chisel plowing. Depending on the field conditions, some farmers use only the 16-row Greenway Flex Harrow for spring preparation. Thanks to more than 10 years of experience in production and fieldwork, Greenway harrows are the best in Europe. Greenway harrows are built to last, built to work. The Greenway has a robust, fully adjustable frame, adjustable sections for aggressive harrowing or excellent handling of crop residue and debris, suspended by a hardened chain. The Greenway flexible harrow is equipped with powerful hydraulics. The front fender on the wide-cut models folds down for easy transportation, a long hitch for easy turning, a sturdy frame made of durable square, seamless Aero 9 G2S steel tube, and large wheels to ensure proper flotation. Replaceable high-carbon hardened teeth, 70 teeth per 1 meter. The teeth are adjustable to 6 different angles of attack. Call us and we will answer all your questions.